Class 6 Subject Computer Lesson 4 Page number 47 to 49 Part 4. In this part I will show you how you can insert function. Two method I will show you and then I will discuss about error result. So first of all, inserting function.
In this part, I will show you how you can insert function. So for that, okay, for that you can see here. I'm going to write one function that is a sum. Okay, we need to sum here. So for that, first of all, select this cell, and after that, click on formula bar. As you know, first rule is put the equal sign. So equal sign should be. After that, second step is write down function name, that is a sum. Then within a small bracket you will write the argument. So first number is English cell address. Here I am going to write that is a C3 and add colon, and whatever last cell, that is a maths. Maths is the last subject. So what is the cell address? E3, E3, and then close the small bracket, and after that put press enter key. Now you can see this formula is appear for RIA. This function is appear. In formula, what you had done? In formula, you had applied that plus sign, but here you will write a function name and argument, whatever first cell is, whatever cell range, first cell and last cell, you will combine with colon sign. After the completing RIA sum, you can apply fill handle function, that is a just take your mouse pointer over there and drag it, and now you can see it is completed, means according to that. Now in first we had used this C1 to E3, C3 to E3, and for next what will be C4 to E4, and next C5 colon E5. Now next C6 colon E6, and next one is a C7 to E7. This is when we are using fill handle, that time cell referencing is used. As I explained you in previous part, what is a cell referencing, so that we are using for other calculation. Only one you have to perform, other you can use cell referencing by fill handle option. Okay, thank you.
Using insert function. In this part I will show you how you can apply function by the menu bars, means by the button. Insert function button.
In this part I will show you how we can use function by inserting function button. So first of all, click on formula tab. This is box is appear, formula ribbon is appear, and left side you can see insert function button. So click on that. This insert function dialog box will appear. Here you have to select a function. So sum, I'm going to select sum and then OK. And now you can see this is a number which is C colon to E colon. Here you can write the which is already selected. So here, otherwise you will type here. Okay, then click on OK. And now you can see no need to type all these things. You just follow all the functions. First of all, click on formula, then insert function, and then dialog box will appear. There you have to select a function name and then argument you have to select, and after that you can see the result. And same you will apply fill handle option for whole cell and it will be completed. Clear? Now second function I'm going to show you. For example, here I'm going to show max function. I want to maximum marks. Each student's got how much maximum marks. So for that, click on formula, then insert function. Here you have to select in insert function dialog box, select a function. First of all, max function, then click on OK. And here you can see it is selected. Otherwise, you can type C3 and next you can write D3. This way also you can write 3 and next one is a E3. Click on OK. So now you can see Riya got 78 marks in English, Hindi in 84, Maths 85. So what is the maximum marks? That is a 85 she got in Maths. So same you can drag it and it will come for others also. And now here you can cross check also like 96. So Raghu got 96 marks in Hindi and Maths and English got 66 and 44. This is a function and we can use by insert function button. This is a method. Okay. Thank you.
Now, error results. Sometimes we will see that the formula you enter did not give the result like your expectation. Instead, there is a text shown, and when you click on the cell, an exclamation mark is shown on the left side of the cell. It means when you are putting the formulas or function, that time error message is coming. So what is the meaning of that? What is a possible reason for that? That we will discuss. First, you can see has the sign hashtag num exclamation sign. It means that there is a problem with some numbers used in the formula. So need to check that. Next is hashtag name question mark. It means Excel display this text when the formula consists of an unrecognized name. This can happen when we have made spelling mistake while writing the formula. Next one, hashtag n oblique a. It means that the data is not available. Now next is hashtag div oblique 0 exclamation marks. It means that the formula contains an invalid operation. Next one, hashtag value exclamation marks. It means that the formula contains invalid data. Next, hashtag ref exclamation marks. It means the formula refers to invalid cell address. Next is 4 time hashtag. It means column width is too small to display the result. The number of hashtag may vary. So that was your chapter 4 and this is a final part of chapter 4. In next part I will start chapter 5. Thank you.